Hi ClickChauffeur members, today is an important step for your business. I'm going to show you how to add a new package. Doing so will simplify both your business and your client experience regarding your service. Let's get started from your dashboard. Start in the dashboard and click on Package. Then select New Package. Begin by filling in the following fields. Name. Enter the name of the package, such as Zone A to Zone B. For example, we can start from Lille and go to Bruxelles. Fixed price. Set the price for the package during the day. That would be, for example, 150 euros. The price with the surcharge. You want to set the price for the package. Mostly that will happen during the night. For the pickup area, access the map, and here you've got two options that I will show you. First, you want to zoom. On the desired area. As for Lille, we can choose the first option, which is a polygon. You can draw a polygon and be very accurate. I could even zoom more and choose some streets. This is the path I'm tracking as an example. And then valid. Regarding the deposit area, so we said we are going to Brussels. And I'm going to choose the second options, which is a bit less accurate, but can be very convenient for you. So you want to draw a circle and you choose the width of the perimeter. Can I go for 2 kilometers? Maybe a bit more. I'll go with 5. Valid. Choose the vehicle that you want to set. I'm going to choose just one for that one. And finally, you want to choose if you are going each way or just one way. For my example, I'm going each way. Finally, click Add to save your new package. And the package is going to appear right there on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully added a new package, making your business and client experience simpler and more efficient. Remember, offering fixed price packages can enhance your client's booking experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your pricing clear and your clients happy.